The main auditorium of the University of Benin was filled to capacity on Tuesday, 16 September 2025, as faculty members, staff, and students of the Faculty of Arts of the university, as well as invited guests from different parts of the country, gathered to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the faculty. There were drama presentations, dance, and other performances. In his welcome address, the Dean of the Faculty of Arts, Professor Osareme B. Osadolo, gave a brief history of the faculty.
The University of Benin will play a better role, a more prominent role in manpower development through the establishment of the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. In 1975, exactly 50 years ago, the Faculty of Arts of this university was formally established. Today, we are beginning the celebration of our golden jubilee to let the world know that 50 years in the life of a faculty or an institute or university is a major milestone for celebration, even for individuals. We have invited all of you, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to come and celebrate major accomplishments of this university through the Faculty of Arts. The University of Benin is proud of its Faculty of Arts to have produced eminent personalities spread all over the world. We have been the champions of humanities in Nigeria, and we are proud that as champions, we are celebrating 50 years of the great Faculty of Arts of the University of Benin. We are celebrating 50 years of academic excellence. And as part of the celebration, today we have command performance, music, drama, and dance.